Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll down a little and find notifications. And here let's click on status bar. As you can see on the very bottom of the list, we've got the option to show battery percentage. Now it is turned off and we've got only battery icon right here. Let's click on this to turn it on. And as you can see right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. If you want to leave only the battery icon again, simply click on the switcher and now it is turned off. So that's all. This is how to show the battery percentage in your Samsung Galaxy A21s, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.